I came for a walk and I see this thing. Not sure really what it is or how old. Pertussin. That's all it says, Pertussin. Nothing great, huh? Probably 50s. Alright, I might have my first brick this season. It's an American. Looks pretty decent, I might have to take it. Alright, looks like we got a little salt shaker. Oh, it's busted. The Chinese. Too bad it's a big hole. Maybe it'll display like this, I don't know. Take it, clean it up, why not? Alright, check this thing out that just popped out of the bank. Ah, it's broken. That's too bad. That would have been cool. Alright, well this thing caught my eye, but now that I'm over here, it looks fake. Look real from over there. Another American brick. Looking around over here. In the bank over here, and I saw that thing. See that? It's a shoe tool for making shoes. I just seen that too. Let's look what that bottle is right there. Let's look at this shoe. Oh. So I actually have one of these at home. You stick it in like that, and then you put the shoe on there and you work with it. I don't know if I want to drag that out of here. And let's see what this is. Looks like a little Michelob. Yeah. Alright, I don't know. Do I take it? Maybe. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what happened here. What caused that right there? Maybe a log lifted up? I don't know. But left a nice 3-star brick. So I'll definitely take the 3-star. I have no idea. I thought I'd look around in the area where that 3-star brick was, and I found another one. Pretty crude one. And then I also found this. Too much concrete on it. This is a single star. Let's see if we find any more. I guess I'll let you know if I find any more. And we got another one. I like 3-star one. Scratch it out of the, probably another one up there. Let's see. Left this one. That's broken. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, at least got a couple 3-stars. And I ain't taking it, but why not show this? Oh, it's just a Brookfield. It's a giant chunk of glass, huh? Let somebody else find it. Alright, came across my first bottle. Oh. Dr. Porter's. Dr. Porter's from New York. And if I shouldn't have wiped it, it looked like it had a nice little patina. Got some lip chips though. Alright, I'll take it, I guess. A couple feet away. Now another one. Oh, I don't look like anything's on it though. Doogie bottle. Alright, so I saw a little flash of blue. A little cloudy now, but you see it? There we go. Oh, looks like a marble. Yep, look at that. Yeah, I just found these two things. Found this thing. I forget what these are. Not exactly sure. then I found that. I haven't picked it up yet. Oh, looks like it got a hairy crotch though, huh? It's got its feet. Little butt. I don't know. Little porcelain something. Alright, not too far away. Come across this guy. Oh, looks like a cartridge ink. This container, I don't know. This container's patented or some shit. Nothing on it, nothing great. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's an old hypodermic needle. Could be wrong, but that's what I think it is. It's a little glass, palms kind of top. I thought I would show you this little thing. Kind of cool, not very old, but I don't remember ever seeing one like it. What does it have on it? Some leaves or something? And then also this, got a milk glass, some kind of shaker. It's chipped all up, so it's gonna stay here. Alright, so I found that one. I'm gonna show you. And then I also found this little drippy lip thing. Just thought it was cool. I don't know why I picked it up, but I did.